In November, domestic violence court will restart in Shelby County. That program initially operated from 2018 to 2022. And ABC 3340's Aaron Wise joins us now. Aaron, is there a particular reason the county leaders are bringing the program back?
Kiera, county leaders tell me that the program was successful in its initial form before it had to be paused. There were some logistical challenges during the COVID-19 pandemic, but they continued to find themselves looking back on the time when all domestic violence cases in the county were under a specific judge in a specific courtroom.
We noticed that when we dispersed to the traditional system, it was back spread out among 6 or 7 judges in the courthouse. Uneven outcomes, uneven results in some cases, and it just didn't feel like we were doing justice to these type of cases.
With the relaunch of domestic violence court, Judge Patrick Kennedy will oversee all cases, streamlining the process. The program will focus on ensuring victims have the resources they need, as well as teaching offenders how to adjust their behavior in relationships. Offenders will have to go through a year-long program, meeting every 2 weeks to ensure they're taking the educational classes being offered and not reoffending.
That defendant goes to the next victim and the next one until we break the cycle. As every one of us mentioned, breaking this cycle, we've got to break the cycle. And the cycle is generational, and the cycle is also from one relationship to the next. And we have to break that cycle. So that's why the focus on our program is for the victims, but it's also for these defendants who really need some assistance in learning how to behave themselves within relationships.
Now, that program will be on top of whatever sentence or punishment an offender was given for their crime. Domestic violence courts resumes here in Shelby County in November. Live in Shelby County, Aaron Wise, ABC 3340 News.